All my deleted files are back in just a few minutes, even the ones I thought were gone forever. If you have accidentally deleted important photos, videos, or documents from your Windows PC, don't panic. Let me show you how you can recover permanently deleted files on Windows PC. This is the software we will be using, Advanced File Recovery. You can download it from the link given in the description below. Before you install the software, here is one important tip. If your files were deleted from a particular drive, don't install the recovery software on that same drive. Instead, install it on a different drive or partition. This reduces the chances of your deleted files being overwritten, giving you a better chance of recovering them successfully. Once installed, open the software and select a drive or folder where your files were deleted. It could be your computer's hard drive, an external hard disk, a USB flash drive, or even an SD card. Next, you will see two scan options, Quick Scan and Deep Scan. Quick Scan is great if the file was deleted recently and the drive is not formatted. But if it's been a while or you have formatted the drive, I would suggest using Deep Scan because it performs a much more thorough search. Now choose the type of files you are looking for, whether it's documents, photos, videos, audio files. Or if you're not sure, simply select all and let the software search everything. Once that's done, click on Start Scan. The software will begin scanning the selected location and automatically search for deleted, lost, or even corrupted files, including files that were removed from the recycle bin. When the scan is complete, you will see a list of all recoverable files. You can preview them before restoring. That makes it easier to find exactly what you need. Finally, select the files you want to recover. Click on Recover Now and save them to a different location instead of the same drive. This helps prevent your recovered data from being overwritten and gives you the best chance of a successful recovery. So that was it. Wasn't this super easy? What kind of Windows tutorials or software videos would you like to see next? Tell me in the comments below. Also, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Systweak Software for more useful Windows tips and software recommendations.